Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to run firmware updates on your YOUCANIC scanner. If you haven't already, go ahead and run software updates first by going to the Updates tab on the second page of the home screen and run all available updates. Once you've run all available software updates, you're going to want to connect your VCI adapter to your scanner via USB and then select the Firmware Updates tab next to the Updates app. Select VCI Firmware Update, and then the update should automatically begin. Much like software updates, firmware updates should be done regularly in order to ensure that the connection between your scanner and your VCI is secure. And that's it. If you run into any problems during this process, you can feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We're always happy to help.